Welcome. You're in the series Revenue Science Question Asked and Answered in 60 Seconds. And this part of the series is really answering questions about our book, Smart Rev. And we're in chapter 4. And we're really talking about focus. Focus on ideal buyers, focus on highest margin possible, focus on greatest value transfer possible. You get the idea. And hopefully for this question, you've heard the last 4 or 5 in this series, because my answers to this question will make more sense if you've been following the series. So the question this week is, what does Bell Curve 2.0 have to do with pricing? Almost everything. Bell Curve 2.0 helps you understand who it is you're calling on and what it is they want to buy. The people that buy from you buy one of 2 things, and they can be combined. They're either buying your brain, and in the bell curve, that's on the far left-hand side, or they buy your stuff and no brain, which is on the far right-hand side. Between all brain and all stuff, you can imagine there's a series of combinations, and those combinations determine what they're willing to pay for. The value's in the brain. Stuff is very competitive, and the buyer is typically okay with good enough, cheap, and easily acquired. On the brain side, they're willing to work with your partner long-term, pay a lot. They typically expect to pay 1/10 of the size of the problem. So it's completely different left and right. So you need to know where you are and where your buyers are. Thanks for joining us. If there's anything we can do to help, let us know. We spend a lot of time certifying chief revenue officers, and we certify teams to function by applying chief revenue officer thinking as a team. Highly, highly valuable. And I do revenue guiding. When senior executives or boards are trying to figure out complicated revenue options or choices, and you want an objective outside party who brings the revenue science to the table, so you have options, I'm that guy. And if there's anything else you're looking for, if we can't do it, we'll help find who can. Thanks for joining us, and see you next week.